Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to customize iOS 18 control center. So for this purpose, what you need to do, scroll up from the right side of the screen and your control center will appear on your screen. For customizing control center, at the top left corner, you have this small plus icon. You simply need to click on it. Once you click on plus button, then all icons will look like this. By clicking on this option, you can stretch the icon. It's your choice that how much you want to stretch. Then at the bottom you have the option of add a control, click on it. Then here you can see different options and different apps that you can add to your control center. And at the top you have the search bar. By clicking on this search bar, you can easily search that app which you want to add in your control center. And you can also change the place of icons. You can stretch them, you can make them bigger, smaller. It's your choice that how you want to customize. For removing any icon or app from control center, at the left side of that icon you have this minus sign. You simply need to click on it. And then you can see that app or that icon will automatically removed from your control center. So this is how you can customize iOS 18 control center. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.